Friday night at Miller's Bar, neon buzzing 1:45. You walked in like trouble does, like this town was built for you. I was sitting on a vinyl stool, nursing hurt I couldn't name. You smiled like you needed someone. I mistook that look for flame. Everything you touch turns colder. Even whiskey don't burn right. You turn laughter into silence, turn a good night into a fight. There's a blade in every premise, cuts me deep, leaves no sign. I'm bleeding where nobody notices, in the glow of neon lights. We rode out in my old pickup, windows down on County Road. You talk dreams, I talk forever. I carried all the load. Your hand felt warm against my chest, but your heart was somewhere else. I was giving you my best parts, you were keeping just yourself. Everything you touch turns colder. Even summer feels like fall. You turn love into a lonely room, with my name on the wall. There's a blade in every promise, sharp enough to steal my pride. I'm still driving, still breathing, but I've been dead inside. Morning came on my front porch, coffee cold, screen door side. You slept like nothing was wrong. I stared straight through the sky. I saw the man I used to be in the dust on my boots. I finally knew I loved your beauty, but I never reached your truth. It wasn't love, it was attraction, a shine that don't run deep. You needed someone to lean on while I was losing sleep. If sun coming up, red and gold. For the first time in a long damn while, I don't feel cold.